This video, I am discussing fourth standard environmental studies, lesson 6, each drop. The three parts of earth is full of water. The water evaporates due to heat of sun. The water vapor travel towards the sky. It gets cooled and changes into water droplets. The droplets of water together form cold clouds. The clouds float so high in the sky, cold wind around the clouds. The droplet of water become heavier and fall in the form of rain. The rain water joins streams and ponds. This water evaporates once again. Singing this song, observe the picture given on the next page. See picture, sea water, sun, water evaporating due to heat of sun. See, this is process of evaporation, clouds, rain. This is condensation process, river water joining sea and ocean, rain and students are talking. Drop of water and students talking. See, drop, water drop. Oh, what's that picture you are looking at? Students, this is the picture of the water cycle. This is a picture of water cycle. See, water cycle, what it is in group of students. One student told water cycle, another asked what is water cycle. Next, drop of water asked, where do you see the water being evaporated in your house? Right in the given space. See, we saw evaporation in kitchen room. Know this. When the water boils, it evaporates. In the same way, due to sun's heat, water gets evaporated. Due to heat, water gets evaporated. Drop of water asked. Observe the vessel on the stove while cooking. And even in school, you can do the experiment of boiling water. See, this is in cooking vessel, cooking, boiling water. Write the difference that you have observed in this experiment in the space given. In cooking, low evaporation occurs, while in boiling water, more evaporation occurs. Due to heat, water boils, get evaporated and rises up. Then amount of water in vessel decreases. Yes. What happened to the water that has evaporated? Next. Know this. Water is a liquid. When it is boiled, it becomes vapor. This is the gaseous state. Water is in three stages: liquid, gas, and solid state. This process of changing, this process of changing water from liquid state to gaseous state is called evaporation. The process of changing water from liquid to gaseous state is called evaporation. The evaporated water gets mixed in the air. Yes, do this experiment. This is small experiment, do this. Let's conduct an experiment to know what happens to evaporated water. Answer these questions. What happened to the water bag? Condensation occurs, evaporation and condensation occurs. Know this. Due to heat of the sun, water gets evaporated and rises up. Due to the cool air, water vapors turns into drops of water. This process of changing water vapor into liquid state is called condensation. Condensation means process of changing water vapor into liquid state is called condensation. Next, this is the process water vapor condensation. Condensation liquid state, that means water, evaporation water vapor. This is important. See, all right. With the help of the experiment that you have observed, fill in the blank given below. You can use the clues given. See, some clue letter is given. Evaporated sun, air, droplet, cloud, cool, large, earth, rain. This is important in this lesson. Very, very important. See, this is the main heart of the lesson. Water in the water bodies, soil, plant and animals get evaporated due to the heat of the sun. The evaporated form of water enters the air and rises up. It gets condensed by cool air, turns into droplets of water. The droplets of water form clouds. When the clouds become cool due to cool air, small droplet of water together become large droplet and come down to earth in the form of rain. This is called water cycle. This is called water cycle. In the first picture, we saw a picture of water cycle. Now this, when the raindrops become too cold, they fall on earth in the form of small pieces of ice. These are hailstones. Water droplet talking. All right. You already know how we use available water on earth for our daily activities. Look at the picture and tell. See, some animal drinking water, washing hands, pouring water to plants, washing cooking utensils, washing ground, toilet cleaning, car washing, cooking, bathing animals. Know this, water is not only used for daily activities of living beings, but also it is a very essential for agriculture, industries, water transportation, construction of buildings, and generation of hydroelectricity. Day-to-day life, water is useful. In addition to that, water is useful for agriculture, industries, transportation, construction of buildings, and generation of hydroelectricity. So many uses are there. Water droplet, water drop, tagging. As shown in the picture, how much of water is used by you and your family members. Measure the water used by you and your family members with the vessel. Vessels means bucket, mug, tumbler, or pot. Used daily at home. Write the measurement in the table given below. Here, activities, water used by me, water used by others in the family, total water. Washing face, 2 mugs. Washing hands and legs, 2 mugs. According to your family members, write down these activities and total number of water they can use and you used. Water is precious, use it carefully. Yes, water is precious. Next, water droplet talking. Harm. Child, you already know the sources of water which we use for all these needs. Make a list of these sources of water. Sources of waters are rainwater, rivers, lakes, stream, pond, glaciers, ocean and seas, springs, wells, groundwater. These are all sources of waters. All right, name the sources of water for your locality. In our locality, we can use rainwater, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, glaciers, wells, groundwater, etc. etc. See, this is a picture. Look at this picture and know the amount of water available on earth. See, most of this water is salt water or sea water. Fresh water means available for drinking this much. That means this is only a 3%. 97% water is from sea water. See, total amount of water available on earth, salt water or sea water, 97.2. It cannot be used. Sweet water available only 3%. In that 2% it is in the form of ice. This is a solid form of water. It cannot be used for daily activities. And only 1% or less than 1% water is suitable for use. That's why water is precious. Use it carefully. As I already told. Next. Are you using water more than your requirement? For which activities do you use water unnecessarily? Right here, I written some activities: taking very long shower, leaving the tap running while brushing teeth, washing vehicle frequently or with the hose instead of a bucket. Yes, overwatering plants or lawns. Fifth one, using water to clean driveways or country yard instead of sweeping. These are some activities we can use unnecessarily water. Next, observe the pictures given below. What is happening here? Write it in the space given below. See here, water running. She is washing clothes. Here, this man is taking bucket of water and washing. Here more water is wasting. Here less water or needed water using. Here more water is wasting. Here they are talking. Water is wasting here. Here also water wasting. Instead of using mug, he is drinking with his hands. Therefore, here also water wasting. They forgot close the tap. Therefore, here also water wasting. See, washing clothes with the running water instead of using filled bucket. This in this figure. Next, leaving the tap running while brushing teeth. This is also talking while they came to fill water from tap. See this picture. Unnecessarily wasting water, ignoring leaking tap or pipes. See this. Next, how water wasted in your surroundings every day. Right here. See, ignoring leaking taps or pipes. One activity. Next, washing vehicle frequently or with the hose instead of bucket. This is also water wasting in these activities. Children, what would happen if there is no water at all? We cannot live. You, human life cannot live without water. Next, water droplet. How will you prevent wasting water in your school and house? Write 2 steps that you would take to stop wasting water. First step, turn off tightly after use. Turn off taps tightly after use. This is one. Next, report leaking taps or pipes to school authority immediately. Yes. Next, use bucket instead of running hose to clean school areas. Create awareness through poster and campaign about saving water. These are some activities we can control wasting water in our school and in our locality. Next, pictures showing some method of saving water are given on the next page. Write those methods in the space provided. In the first, this picture shows collect and reuse rainwater. That means this is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Next, second one, grow more trees. This picture indicates grow more trees. Next, this picture indicates install low flow taps or sensor based tap where possible. Here they are installed low flow taps. Next, reuse reuse water used for washing cooking utensils to water plants. See, she is washing cooking utensils. This water going to plant. Therefore, in this activity, water is reused. Next, check for leaks regularly in washroom and drinking areas. He is referring leaks of water tap. Next, reuse water or collect water. Next, water droplet. Look there, the water is being wasted, isn't it? Here, washing cooking utensils. This water is wasting here. Next, student asked, a drop of water. Drop of water, this water is already used. How do we use it once again? Drop of water. For what purpose can we use the water that is already used once? Think and write. See, I am giving some ideas to use used water. First one, watering plant. Water used for washing vegetable or rice can be used to water garden plants. Second, flushing toilet. Water used for bathing or washing clothes can be stored and used for flushing. Third one, cleaning floors or vehicles. Slightly used water can be used to clean floors, verandas, or to wash bikes, cars, etc. Know this. The water that is used for washing utensils, cloths, washing utensils, cloths, and vegetables can be used again for watering plants. This is called recycling of water. By recycling of water, we can save water. Here, water is recycling. In this picture, they are collecting rainwater, this and this, drop of water, taking. Children, we can store the rainwater also. Stored water can be used for certain activities. Students, yes, true. Drop of water. For which activities can we use the stored rainwater? No and right here. Here I'm giving some activities use of rainwater. First one, watering plants and gardens. Rainwater is excellent for plants as it is free from chemicals like chlorine. Washing vehicles, cars, bikes, and cycles can be cleaned using rainwater. Third one, cleaning floor and surroundings. How? Rainwater can be used to mop floors, clean verandas, and outdoor areas. Learn to collect and use the rainwater for daily activities. Drop of water, packing. If there is a rain water harvesting center in your locality, visit it. If not, know from your elders about it. Collect information about it and write. Here I am giving some definition of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a collection and storage of rainwater for future use. It is a method of conserving water by collecting rain that fall on roof, open grounds, or other surface and storing it in tanks, pits, or underground. This is called rainwater harvesting. Next, drop of water taking. Children try to enact a short play which gives a message of the conservation of water with the help of elders and friends. Students, all right, drop of water. We will try. Next, drop of water taking. Children, today you have learnt about the use of water in a limited way and the conservation of water. So, bid you goodbye. Okay, drop of water. Student told. Know this? Do you know this? India has the richest water resource in the world. The major portion of the fresh water available on earth is ice. Next, water in the air is in the vapor form. Water in the air is in the vapor form. Fish are reared. Fish are reared to purify the water of reservoirs. Rear means water maintains the shape of the body of plants and animals. There is about 65% of water in the body of human beings. In other living beings, water is 40 to 40% to 90%. In leaves, water is more than 80%. Yes, we should drink at least 2 liters of water every day. This is for children. For normal human being, we should drink 4 to 5 liters every day. Mountain Ram. See this place. Mountain Ram in Assam. This is not in Assam. This is in Meghalaya. Mountain Ram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Agumbe receives the highest rainfall in Karnataka. Agumbe. This is right. Agumbe receives the highest rainfall in Karnataka. This completes your chapter. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos.